Now, the problem we have is trying to get a small bearing out of a item without the aid of a fancy puller, or any type of puller actually. And the solution that I had came up with was, number one, you need 2 paint can openers, and that's the ones with the little lip on them. 49 cents a piece at your local box store. Some sort of piece of metal to work as a spacer. I just found this in my garage. I've also used a pair of pliers, my vise, and a hammer. In this case, I've got my rubber hammer to use. I've done this a couple times, so the bearing will slide out a lot easier than it did the very first time that I did this. So what you want to do is take the openers and place them in the bearing hole behind the bearing. Now once you've done that, take your spacer, place it between the two, and hold the two together and pull it out. Now, as I said before, I have pulled it in, and I've pulled it out a few times, so it is pretty loose now. But the very first time I did it, what I did was took the paint can openers, placed them behind the bearing, put my spacer in there, opened up my vise, placed it in there. Okay, so now that we have it in the vise, a few taps on the back, and of course the bearing slips out. It's a quick, easy little way to get the job done without having to go to town and get the proper tools. Works on small bearings, and has worked for me, and hopefully it'll work for you. And if you've got an even better idea, then put the word out and share the knowledge. I thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.